That one come pass. You dey write me saying now you dey do one. Me and she dey quarrel every week. You dey see na so quarrel with it. I was like, who dey give am information? Like, how are you getting all these things? Who dey tell you? I was even suspecting my woman, like she dey use another WhatsApp to dey betray me, dey pull my mind. Before I come know say she hack my WhatsApp and she was using my cloud. That one come pass. Because your mom is sick now, you dey threaten me say if it be say na me dey do am. I'm not God. I'm not God. I believe in God. I believe in God. And my mom believe in God. My family believe in God. My senior brother na pastor. My other brother na pastor. None of us know the handle one position for God's house. So why I pray God will leave me put? My career, people not call me for movie. They go even call me for movie. I don't see. I just did Dixie to go work, but they had me. Person go chat me with the WhatsApp when you hack. Else the person just send the money straight that moment. If they break on top of that chat, even if I write to the person will come and look me like useless somebody. The money not will come again. I'm not joking no. I'm gonna share this video I beg. Because this thing I don't to bear many things. When I don't want my put for social media. Most people they say why not talk so can't me you're not going to be like say I talk to you straight because I know they pull your name now. But you know yourself and you know everything when you don't do. You know. Come up from my past, come up from my past, come up from my past. Go rent house. Why? My family I know they reach until they go on. Go enter market. Buy nonsense when you know even call for. But there I feel like buy food bread, go to them. Buy food chicken, buy some go to them. They just waste the boy money. Before you know me and where you for know me, we spend a week and some days for them. No day. I'm not going to receive nothing less than 100. Now this is my talent. They say I'm to push it, you know, so you want to push everywhere. That's what my own company. When my light stay bright, now you take one. You enter now, you come, you just breathe. Person tell me saying get Belle for me. I can't even tell you. Not trying, I'm not using to spoil my relationship. Not make you get Belle for. The moment when you tell yes, the person get Belle for me, now that month, that week, that month, now I hear from that girl rich. She never shouted me again. She even born, she never even shot me. 3 months after, that person going to tell me how person you're born for you, just throw away. I don't know. Me will like picking anyhow. Me will like picking anyhow. That one come pass. So still get one nurse. One me and I can still deal. Inside the long, I can say the boy is spoiled because if I be spoiled, any relationship I did, post, I only had my relationship. Boy when you spoil on the hide. Boy when you spoil on the post woman, not be say forget say at the art and people still know me. I want to take on like priority back on the phone. If I date, that's me for you. Person taking for me, you carry me go hospital say mo go do check-up for me. I go do check-up, but they tell me say me get low sperm count. Low sperm count me. Look they don't date me and my package for 1 month, you not taking. Person tell me say you get Belle. Belle don't date 3 months. You waka come meet me because you don't hack my phone, you see everything. You make sure the person name say man not put on for mine say that nigga that Belle. The same month when you know that me and that person talk rich. Baby don't they go 8 months now. Before the person comes to tell me now say if my baby don't hold before I know. You just come scatter the boy life. What thing they happen? Now as I see you can't say you want send come, then they can't take my life. No man is God. No man is God. You know that one for your mind. If anything happened to me today, you not fear. You not get one thing when you go relate. People don't do when you go relate. You not get one thing when you go benefit. You know how remove her from the boy waste. You know how make the boy shine. Maybe people for they say now when you and this boy did, now this guy life stay bright. my house don't reach needed before you know me. I dey cash out. If I don't dey cash out, the money no dey come. You not come to hear the alert on the calls when I dey make when me and you hey day together. You yourself know say you bring bad luck to my life. Because you can't squander money for people they see say I will. Money when I for take do things go far and squander wrong. You do for me, we do for each other, good, fine. We help each other, good, fine. I still make you know say the love deal, but family no want. More fun our way, maybe the thing not come they worry us. This one won't go day. My family know they call me, nothing, not they happy with me just because of it. No, you come meet me, meet my family. Leave me for my family. You yourself say you go work out, they will tell you, say my say you leave me for them. You see, say no. Continue with the bad things when you know until they manipulate the boy, not to believe the family. The main reason why I do this video, now make people, I bet when I share this video, the main reason why I do this video, now make people know, say, the matter don't enter assassin hand. In case anything happen, I be not want to come to social media, me not come do the side call the damage name. Come go they affect husband matter for front. Same months now when they package for you, carry my name, go what they call this place. Carry my name, go and watch one say, yeah, I'm a bug boy. When you never have my years or like now there you come put my now say you no rich when you fit to do me, yeah, I'm a bug boy. Thank God I born you give. Now those ones they say, my own go one my bug boy. They come my house now. Come my dad, my mom house, give my mom paper, say they need me. Reach there now, they say, what thing happen? She want to explain. Say me they call you wish. I not make sure your name. I don't know why you reason out to yourself. Because you yourself know say I get relationship before you come. When I take a report, you innocent person. So I don't date. I get hex. I don't see where for make sure your name. When you come be say you be saying and me they call you wish. How you take the wish? Where I for call you the wish? You know if they use your number they write me. How I take call you wish? You kill of one child, you see they say no you try wish, you know if you take them. Me I press the party, never used to wish. The next month they tell me say miss a period. You come in now, for the past 7 months now, we not hear anything like they did again. Take time. Take time. Take time. I know you try to talk, take time. Who they worry me? Now they pray for. If you say my life not bright, maybe people they forget me, may hungry beat me. You must now this month you must enter ground. And I don't feel forgive. Else you enter social media confess. Everything when you do the innocent boy. Yes, we start to media confess. If not, pressure. I too calm. I too reason the whole issue. Say, now play, you change my just now. I date girl, you tell me say you don't manipulate now. This girl, she crazy when they say person wacko. She was really mad. This is my date, so she was really mad. The guy called the craze, like you come meet me, I'm about to kill me. You say you want to kill me. For I not do you anything, why I'll kill you? You just want to do something, you say I'll take do bad thing, then I can't go jail. Just carry on the sack the innocent girl. But we thank God say we see everywhere when the thing from the come. So we tackle her. We do something, return back to sender. Why you not going to use physical? More do am now. I not be God, I'm not too strong. But since you say you sabi the spiritual, anything when you see, take am, not beg for forgiveness. Because me myself, I not will forgive you this life, next life. Even the 4th coming life, the 10th coming life, I not will forgive you. Never, you too do. You yourself know say not be as supposed to. Even they use visa they sing for you like I'm a balance. Get visa, I'm a balance London, I'm a balance America. No one work. I they go embassy like say now farm I they go. Nothing dey come up. The month when we break up, the month when I leave you, I don't know if you push me, I sell less or 600k. From then, I dey useless, any money come my way, I dey useless and for no reason. Clean less I sell at 600k. That very day, 200,000 down. Before I know where I dey. If not be, as in, say the person will not feel like outside like that. When I forgot the years, my mama don't use bus, and since the person you come off for a life, now we start to the big town. No! They're not down. So for everybody when be say they're coming for work, I'm sorry. I was not in my right senses. Anybody when I disappoint, I'm sorry. I know the damages I caused to a lot of producers. So I'm sorry. I apologize, my mom. I know what happened. It's all this why. Still cry, come. Man, not talk everything. I might just leave this one. The main thing inside this video when I talk, I just want to put those small lines. I don't want to talk the deep words when you use. Tell me hospital, let me get those pen can because you know if you're taking for me. Me, I get two issues now. I don't get to picking. Picking when their mama tell me say I get Belle. If you know, I don't hear from them again. But all of them don't tell me now say they don't born two issues. And I'm proud of it. Picking up for everybody. Picking up for everybody. Use DNA, worry. Fans they look and say now because of I don't know my baby mama before you come inside my relationship. Before we start date. The two people went born so. Me and they don't know before I know you. Everybody, any girl when you ask me like the person, normally we artists when they know now. Girl feel they go like you go tell you. If they happen to normal guys on street. And before they look and say how you close girl. Girls they approach me, normal life. But any girl approach me before I not see that girl again. Recently when I enter for the block person, I can't see all those people. I don't know when I take block on. I'll sleep for night and they press my phone. Because they monitor my footsteps. We still leave each other. I still make you understand that. I beg you, you still say no. Continue the spiritual. The physical when you follow come, now I want to make people know. That spiritual when you say you know. That spiritual when you say your mercy know. When I say they spend. Me know they spend. I know they spend. Not free. You yourself know say not free. Now I tell they do my own. So continue the one way you know. You know my full name. You get my picture. Continue the one you know. This physical, anything happen, please guys, share this video. Anything happen physical one yet, God not feel make the gun feel evil light. My God not be sleep heaven. My God not be sleep. Let me say I get gun medicine, but my God not be sleep. If all those people, if it be say I not be who they pray, as they come, they go park, they go knock. All the windows for house they open. They know the person there. But now run, they run come on my papa. I know I should go. My God, not this sleep. You, I don't have much to say again. Might just keep the rest. The main thing right here is she don't say assassin, may they come assassinate me, may they kill the boy. Why give me a timely death? What I owe you? Money when you say I the owe, I don't pay her. I still pay her. My pastor, my prophecy, they tell me say you pay the money. Now that they say you too get the money, and I make you feel pain because that one I can't see the worry my life. Say I don't pay money. You can't see change and say I win you never go back. I get back. Everywhere cost it funny. But thank God today. The boy is back. If you put on the know it be now. You should even confess say you don't try much things to attack me, kill me. Say na battle send that you see. That make you face the innocent girl when you never know anything. Whether may have been on me yahoo. Might be on me yahoo. That one know if you kill even rat. If you see rat, they don't come out. You know that she's a small girl. And if you say me use against them because my small girl, you don't know anything. They kill her. So now me and you build house. Me and you never build house. But get what really mean. Who know me well, but know when I come to work for tipper work. I know the way I come to the collect. For the work when I work, I don't do street. I don't count millions they come right from my team. if not be you wey come my way. I dey refund money, I go carry shoe, dey shoe is me and you go dey inside house. For your present, I dey return money, make I no go. You dey tell me say you dey go work and you wan leave only me for house.